Alright, it's Sunday the 12th of April. Let's take another look at XRP. So let's go on the 45 minutes. And you see that we had this lower trend line of this wedge. We broke below it and boom, we came to retest it once. And now it looks like we are on the way to come back again and retest it a second time. So I'm looking at this for now. And in terms of Elliott wave, what I'm looking at is probably a zigzag like this with A, B and wave C, where we have in wave C 1, 2, wave 3 here, wave 4, which I would like to see consume a bit of time. Like I would like to see us moving sideways a bit here, because I think this wave 3 here of wave C is finished before we make another high here and before we drop. Of course, like, maybe I'm wrong, maybe it's not what's gonna happen, but you see we have this resistance of this trend line, we have this channel here, right? So which is gonna be another resistance. If you take your Fibonacci, you see that you take the length of this wave 1 here, right? You project from wave 2 and with this wave 3 ended at 1618. So that's a very nice probability area for a possible wave 3. That's why I think this wave 3 is probably finished at this point. Then above us we have this 618 retracement of the entire dump, and it's at the same level as the one-to-one extension between wave A here and wave C. Alright, so we are gonna have this confluence here of these two fib level plus these two trend line. So what I would like to see before entering a short personally, it's us moving sideways a bit here, going not too low, and then a last high, I don't know, maybe only here or maybe a bit higher, and then I think it's gonna be a good setup for a short entry. Doesn't mean that it's gonna work, of course, but it's a kind of setup which is kind of nice, because I think it's a setup where the probability of success is quite high. And yeah, that's what you're looking for in trading. You're looking for setups which have a high probability of success. And I think it's one in development here. Again, I want to see sideways, one more up. And I think after this we're gonna probably dump. On the RSI, what I would like to see is while we're gonna move sideways here, I would like to see the RSI reset a bit, yes, and then for the last move up, I would like to see the RSI go and make another spike like this. There's gonna be a lower high here, while on the price we're gonna make a higher high, so setting up a bearish divergence on the RSI as well. So let's see how it's gonna play out. I'm gonna monitor this, and yeah, hopefully it's gonna work. Hopefully, obviously, if you want to play this kind of thing, you need to have a stop loss, right? And yeah, I think it should be a nice little setup here. Alright, that's it for today. See you next time. Bye.